Hello there, and welcome back to the Household of Faith. I wanted to share with you an update on the eggplant project. Basically, I took some eggplant that I had produced last year, cut it in half, and I put it in the dirt and threw it over. As you can see by the way, see the cluster of the seeds? And if I were to dig it up, you could actually end up seeing the eggplant pod that it was in. This is countless eggplants. I am going to up pot it again. I'm just going to let it grow and see what it does. I'm not overly concerned right now about getting eggplant because it is late August, but I just wanted to encourage you to give it a try. It's well worth it. And for the record, this is one of the eggplants I've got growing this year. And these are two of the eggplants just like the one I just showed you, but the seeds and the growth came from the one that turned yellow because it didn't ripen all the way. And I just don't want to deal with them because they're too tough. Now, I am not going to cut these off and start a new plant, but I just wanted to encourage you to grow what you love. And don't be afraid to harvest the seeds or the pods from a plant that is there. Like I said, this one, and like this one was probably looking like this one yesterday. This is what they're supposed to look like. Here I have another one over here. Still haven't figured out what's wrong with it. Someone said inconsistent watering. Well, you know what? I water this stuff every day. Now twice a day. They're so dramatic. They're like peppers. They will droop and look like they've never had any water before. But all I can do is to continue to water it, and as long as it's producing. And right now it's got 4 on it. And eggplants are pretty easy and low maintenance because you don't really have to do much to it. I was trying to get down in here to get the tag to tell. There, I see it way back there. Okay, I got this from a local nursery, and this is the kind that it says it is. Where is it? Oh, sorry. Yeah. So it's supposed to be a Thai striped eggplant, which you can see the stripes on it. They don't get very big, but they should get at least the size of a Roma tomato. All right. So the next time you buy an eggplant in the store, a cucumber, a squash, or anything like that, just cut a slice off. It's nice and thick enough for the seeds on the eggplant are so tiny it won't matter. Uh, Throw it in the dirt. Put a little dirt over the top of it and see what you grow. God bless.